Hey everyone, so good news and bad news. Bad news is that the first winner never emailed me back within 48 hours, and so they have been disqualified, which is kind of a bummer. I was super excited to get that sent out. But then the good news is we have another chance for someone to win. And so we've done a random pick, and today is Mark Horn. So congratulations. So what you want to do is email me at thereclaimedranch.com within 48 hours. I will give you a code word to then go back into the giveaway and pumpkins video. On your initial comment, you'll put that code word in. Once I know it's in there and it's you, then I will email you and get your address and send out those 2 IOD transfers, and you can get creating. So hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye.